everybody, welcome to flex-nylon.com. I'm Jin Yang, a product manager of flex-nylon.com for LED Nylon Flex series products. Today I will show you a simple kit for rolled LED Nylon Flex series products. It's a 8 colors simple kit. Look at me. In my hand, it's the simple kit package box. I will open it and show you inside related products. Okay. Look. There's some forms package and one side of the LED power supply adapter, the power cable. You could choose the EU plug or US plug. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, now in my hand is the 316 degrees rolled LED Nylon Flex series products. You could say his shell jacket is the rolled shells. It's different with the dome LED Nylon Flex series. You could say it's a rolled, so it could show you the full view. The light emitting angles could reach 316 degrees. Now you could see on the bodies there are some cutting remark. This one is printed a cutting remark and 24 voltage and 108 is stand for the production bunch. It's just for our factory checking reference. Okay, let me see. In the adapter, it shielded the maybe some light is not real. It's an 8 color simple kit. It has the warm white, white, pink, yellow, blue, orange, green, red. This series is the 120 pieces per meter type. Okay, let me plug in the power and lighting point for show you. Release the tape of the cable plug. Okay, plug the power cord and into the outlet. Now you can see. Let me turn it off, cut off the light, then power it. Maybe the indoor lights effect the color shows is not satisfactory. So now I will turn off the light and show you the real colors. Okay, turn off this light. Have you seen it? The end part and the end section is the white. This is red, because beside this is blue. So the blue color emits red, and could see this part becomes the pink colors. Red, and this one is obvious is green, and this should yellow. And blue. And pink. And warm white. This should orange. Have you seen? It's orange. Hand ink. Right, it looks beautiful. You could use it for the outbuildings, the decorations, or use it for Christmas, some other holiday lights. You also could use it for the LED neon lights or neon signs. We also could produce customized neon signs according to your designs, draw picture or something descriptions or texts. Anything your idea you could tell us. We flat-neon.com team will provide the best service for you, and we will give you our best offers. Okay, let's turn on the lights. Okay, we could turn off the lights. So later I will show you the RGB type or Magic Series type in our Fitting Studio box. That effect will be better more. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. This is Jin Yan, flat-neon.com.